Today I'm going to share a British pub meal in London. We were in London the other week and it was a typically rainy London day, so we stumbled upon the Zetland Arms. It's located in South Kensington. We'd spent the morning at the nearby museums, so a nice hearty pub lunch was just what we needed. So we headed inside and indoors and out of the rain to have a look around the pub, and we were met with a nice warm welcome, with the pub being nice and warm and the staff being really friendly too. And here you can have a look at the menu. It's the Zetland Arms and it's got quite an interesting history. There's roasts every Sunday, and a look at the options the day we were there. For lunch, there's a whole lot of different starters, British classics, steak and ale pie, fish and chips, which we had, as you'll see soon. Lots of other options. There's burgers, there's some sharing options, lighter options, all kinds of sides, and of course some lovely classic British desserts. So they're spin on classic British desserts. So we went for the pie and mash. The pie was incredible, pastry, beautiful and buttery and flaky, with mash, and a lovely way to enjoy a British meal. And we had fish and chips as well. We kind of all just shared a few meals. We had fish and chips with peas, and another look at that lovely pie, the perfect pie, and we got a nice portion of chunky chips too inside of that pie, steak and ale pie. It was just absolute perfection. We really enjoyed the meal. It was nice and hearty and warmed us up to get back out and explore London a little bit more. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.